I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Come and see how I make this grape nut ice cream. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for my grape nut ice cream. Grape nuts, the cereal grape nut. I'm going to use some vanilla to flavor it, a little bit of salt because it has to have a slightly salty taste, some double cream, evaporated milk, and some condensed milk. Of course, you can make your own condensed milk. Remember that video that I showed you how to make it. I'll put a link in the description box below for how you can make your own condensed milk. So here goes. So overnight I put the ice cream maker, the bowl bit, in the freezer so that all my ingredients could be ready. Did you see me just knock that vanilla measuring spoon? So some of the vanilla got knocked into the salt, but that's fine. I'm now putting my ingredients from double cream to vanilla to salt. That's my salt with a little vanilla in, condensed milk, and also the grape nuts into the ice cream maker. Switch it on. Can you see the paddle going in the middle? In the end, either my ice cream maker was really too good, so it started freezing right away. As soon as the paddle started, it started freezing. And also, I think the blades of the paddle got, well, they are actually really close to the edge of the ball, right inside the ball. The paddle gets to the very edge. So because the grape nuts were added, it sort of made it hard to paddle. So the paddle had a little bit of problem going, but it did get going. I allowed it to mix for a little bit, and then afterwards I had to mix it by hand and then just put the bowl in the freezer. So if you don't have an ice cream maker, this is actually a really good recipe to use to make grape nut ice cream. Can't believe I spilled so much of the grape nuts. Did I tell you? Grape nuts, not made of grapes, not made of nuts either. I'll tell you, look in the description box below for that post that explains it all. And after mixing the contents with a spatula and then putting it in the freezer, here comes my lovely grape nut ice cream. Don't you think this one is really easy to make and really brings back so many memories of the fudge man coming on a Sunday in Jamaica and asking your mom or dad to let you have one? So here's the recipe. You can make it yourself. Thank you so much for joining us again this week, and we hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and remember to check back next week for more videos. Bye!